Organic farming system. These days, you are hearing the speech of our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi, who is much more emphasizing on the Atmanirbhar Bharat. And out of Atmanirbhar Bharat, he is giving pressure on agricultural farming. Because our country is agriculture based country. So taking the benefit of all the crops, we may self-rely, and moreover we can export something also. Now agriculture is a very vast field, very vast. We take the Rabi, Kharif and Jaid. Rabi, Kharif and Jaid. 3 crops over a period of 12 months. We do farming for them. In between, now lot of pressure is being generated for the organic farming. Organic farming, this generates the employment for our youngsters, for our MBAs, young men, and it is a different kind of farming, medical based farming. Grit Kumari, Sudarshan, Aloe vera, many more which even I don't know. But these things are being pressurized to be cropped on our land. We should farm all these things instead of importing from other countries. We should go for big trees like bel, tulsi, aam, jamun, all these things, so that it can suffice to our domestic requirement. We are not depending on the imported mal and material. We have our own produced item. We should prioritize the vegetables, saag, palak, paneer, soya methi, नेनुआ तरोई, this बैंगन, arui, all these name I am taking in Hindi because it is very much adaptable by you people and you can understand. Ginger, adrak, all these kind of the things we should farm on our land so that we should not depend on the imported material. Another farming like sugar cane. If we are producing these, the requirement of sugar in our country can be fulfilled. Rather, we can go for export. So doing this farming, we have to shape the organization to take care of all these things. For sugar cane, already we have sugar mills and thousands of people are working. We are making from sugar cane as a sub product, we are making sanitizer. So where the need of the sanitizers is there in our country, it can be produced from our own system and on our own land. Doing all these kind of the cropping, agricultural, farming, lot of process are involved. And as a agriculture industry, we can come up. And our two requirements, that is the first to fulfill the domestic requirement and second is to fulfill the export requirement. So to do all these things, we need to create the vacancy and employ the relevant people, maybe from the lot of the MBA people or non-MBA people. Local people can be given more opportunity in such industries. Paddy crops, potato, sugar potato, we are not talking about because these are the general nature of the agriculture which is already into our crops. But if all this farming can be done scientifically, more appropriately, most probably we can really sort out two problems. One is that we can become Atmanirbhar, we need not to depend on any other country to supply us, then we will eat it. Second is to generate the employment to the youngsters. Lot of contracting systems can be generating, through that also lot of employment can be generated, and the byproducts of this also can be used somewhere, somehow. So take the advantage of organic farming system, maybe new, and many more. Due to time constraint, I am not able to talk, but you are also equally wiser. You can understand that what are the other things said by Dr. Srivastava, and therefore a good and strong tomorrow can be inducted by us. How other developed countries are doing all these things? Why we cannot do? Give a thought, though we are more efficient and proficient. So let's come, because it was not our choice. Therefore, we were not able to do it. Make it the part of our choice and work for it together and create the employment opportunity in the India. Thank you very much. Hope this organic farming system will once again go in under the manthan in your mind, and appropriate action will be taken by each one of you. Thank you very much. Bye.